Hey guys, it's Payel here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to make a get ready with me. Basically, I'm going to share you this black smoky eye makeup tutorial. It has a little bit of glitter also. If you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. So first, I'm going to prime my eyelids using this NYX eyeshadow base. This gives a very nice base for my eyeshadow. So I have applied some compact powder. Next, taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to create a crease. So today I'm going to use this Maybelline the Nudes palette. I think out of all the nudes palette I like this one most. So I'm going to take this cool tone color and make a crease so that my crease is quite defined, and later on I have is to know how much I could go for my crease. Same thing I'm going to do for my other eye also. Now as you can see, my crease is well defined. I'm going to take this Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal. This is quite thick. This has quite thick and it comes with a sharpener also. And I'm going to cover my eyelid. This actually dries up very fast, so I'm going to work out one at a time. So next I'm going to take the same brush and smudge out the edges. Next I'm going to take this black eyeshadow from that palette and again smudge out the crease. With soft hand I have to blend everything. Now taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the edges. I'm going to blend the eyeshadow in a circular motion. So this is not going to put any eyeshadow, it is going to pick up the extras. Same thing I'm going to do for my other eye also. So one eye was different than the other, so left eye was looking different, like the brown was not showing, everything became black. And I used the concealer, remove everything, and then again I blended everything. Now I'm going to tightline my eyes using this kajal. Next I'm going to apply some glitter. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild glitter in the shade Karma. So let me show you. This is how the glitter looks. So I'm going to use it at the center of my eyelids, where is my eyeballs are there. That's the eye makeup. Next I'm going to conceal my under eyes. Because I'm having a smoky eyes, I need to have very brightened under eyes, so I'm using a concealer. So I'm using this Clinique All About Eyes concealer. This has a orange undertone in it, so this is going to brighten my under eye. So this is the area where we tend to have a little bit of darkness, also near my mouth. I'm using the concealer to sharpen the end. Next I'm going to use a highlighting concealer. So I'm going to use this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Concealer. This I'm going to use in dots. Now I'm going to blend everything using a makeup sponge. Now using this Makeup Forever HD powder, I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm going to bake today. I'm going to apply a lot of powder under my eyes and let it set for some time so that it absorbs all the oil. Meantime, I'm going to bronze my face using the L'Oreal Glam Bronze and also my nose. Now I'm going to remove the powder. Now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm going to apply this kajal and taking the brown shadow, I'm going to smoke out. Same thing I'm going to do for my other eye also. Eyes are done. I'm going to quickly apply some lashes and get back to you. So I have applied some lashes. I've used this pack lashes in the number 52. Applied some eyeliner to cover the lash band. So also I have intensified my brows. Now next I am going to highlight my face. So I am using Mary Luminizer to highlight my face. Little bit I'm going to use for my nose and also for my brow bones. So I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to use this Maybelline Sensational Mascara for my lower lash line. Next, eyes are done. I'm going to use a lipstick. I'm going to wear this NYX Liquid Sweat lip cream in the shade Soft Spoken. So eyes are so bold, I need some nude for my lips. This is the finished look. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. It encourages me a lot. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.